Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw a really cool looking version of Moonlight for Disney Plus right now in the new series. Right, so to begin, we're gonna draw in the, let's draw in the head first, and we're gonna draw in the mask area first. So just draw a little V shape like this. Okay, and then from the V shape, just come down here. So it's almost like a letter M. Just kind of make it a little bit wobbly because this will be part of the hoodie. Okay, and then from here we're gonna just come in. Just close this off. So that's gonna be the inside of the hoodie. And then now we can draw in the face inside. So right on the side right here, just come down. And then this will be the jawline. Just close it off. Alright, so that's gonna be the shape of the face. And then it's got the masking right here. So I'm just gonna draw two lines, and this one's gonna go behind the hoodie right there. And then now we can draw in the eyes. So it's gonna be pretty much just two almond shapes. Okay, so you can draw the top lid first, and then just kind of space it out, and then once that's correct, then we draw in the bottom. Alright, and then from here we can finish up the hoodie. So let's come up here. Now I'm just gonna come down here. Close this off. Alright, and then there's gonna be a lot of the bandaging right here, but we can draw that much later, or you can kind of just skip it. Alright, so from here we're gonna draw in his cape. So just come on the side here. And then now we're gonna come back in toward the center. So that's gonna be his cape. And we can add in, let's add in a little bit more detail. Alright, so now that we have this, now we're gonna come down and draw in the body. So just from the corner here, come down. This is gonna be his armpit. Come down. This is gonna be his, I guess, his rib cage, waist area. Now come down slightly and then just close it off first. Now we can add in some muscle right here. This will be the chest muscle. And then it's got that symbol right in the middle. Just draw one circle first. And then we can add in the moon shape here. Let's see, let's draw it this way. Just draw like a little C. And then on the very tip here, just kind of go out. Okay, so let's see, let's continue down. Right here, another circle. Just add one little section here. This is almost like its belt. And then on the side here, it's got some wrapping. So this is gonna be his hip. Just come out like this. And then just come back into this buckle right here. So this is gonna be cloth. And we can add in some lines like this. And let's see, before we draw in the arms, let's add in one more section here. Let's draw this little cloth right in the middle. So just give it a little bit wavy line and then come across. And then same thing here, we're just adding some lines like this to make it look like folds. I think that's the cool part about this character, is all the cloth being wrapped around him, which is kind of looks like a mummy, right? Alright, so now that we have this, let's come back up here and finish up the arms. So right here is the armpit. Here's the shoulder. We're gonna continue this, just one little bump here. Become nice and strong. Okay, and then let's see for his hand. Well, let's draw it this way. Let's give him a little fist on this side. Just come over here first. Let's draw like a little rounded rectangle. I know it looks very strange right now. And then from here, one little bump, that's gonna be his thumb. And then for the other fingers, I'm just gonna add in, let's just add in 2 lines here. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna connect the arm right here. So I'm just gonna add 1 bump. And then this one, just add another curve connecting to that. All right, so that's gonna be 1 arm. Let's draw in this one. Let's see. This one we'll just have it come straight down then. Just 1 little bump here. Let's come down straight. And then just close it off. And for this hand, 1 little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the hand. Come down, let's go up, and then 1 little line here for the other fingers. All right, and then let's see, let's draw in the legs. So the legs, yeah, the legs are a lot simpler. So from here, curve down. Here's the inside of the leg. It's got the shoulder pads here, or I mean the knee pads. You come down straight like this and then just add 2 curves. Okay, and then for the lower leg, curve. Just pinch it in slightly. And then here on the bottom, just draw, we're gonna come down like this first, and then we're gonna curve all the way up here, come across. Okay, so we're gonna come down, curve out, and we can add in, I guess, a little bit thicker boot here in the bottom. All right, and then let's see, let's add in the cool little cape here. So I'm gonna draw in, let's start right under here. Just gonna curve out. And then this side, maybe this way. I'm just gonna have it a little bit flowy. So now I'm just gonna come all the way across here. Just give it a nice little flow. Okay, and then we can add in some lines here again to make it look like cloth. Just have it flow this way. Okay, and then let's see, there's some more details here we can add. Let's see, let's come back up here. Just 1 line, and then this one's just gonna go out. Now we're just drawing some details here. We can add in some of these little, yeah, there's a lot of little stuff here. It's almost like gold. And let's see, we can add in, well, let's come back up here. We can add in the cool little wrappings on the face. Okay, and then we're just gonna come across. Maybe just slightly different directions. And then on the top here as well. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't want to add in too much little wrappings here. It's really gonna muddy this thing up. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.